Go. Anong gusto mong i-read?
Disconnecting from
Saan?
online gadgets. Disconnecting from
Yan?
online gadgets.
Ah, sige pala.
Gadgets.
Oh, go.
Disconnecting from online gadgets and reconnecting with nature may be one of the simplest yet most powerful ways to improve mental health and manage stress
That's a period.
When we include just a few minutes in nature into our daily routines, we can boost our mental well-being, relieve stress, and find a greater sense of calm. When there's
what's that?
Whether it's a walk in the park, tending a garden, watching the sunset by the beach, hiking with friends, or even a few moments of mindful breathing outdoors. Let nature be your guide on the path to mental wellness. So step outside, breathe in the fresh air, and allow nature to work wonders for your health.
The end.
The